Alright guys, today we're looking at the Maddog motorcycle ATV goggles. So before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to buy this, check it out in the description below. So these are basically dirt bike or ATV goggles that I picked up for a very inexpensive price. Maddog is kind of a generic brand, and overall they're actually pretty good. They're, as I said, they're very cheap. So if you're going to go dirt biking all the time, if you're a professional, then you're probably going to want to get something that's going to be a lot better. But if you're just going out on the weekends having some fun with your friends, these are going to work just fine. They've got the padding on the inside here, which does a decent job at keeping water out. It doesn't do a great job, especially if you're going through a lot of heavy mud or water. They're not shaded at all, so they're just clear, which is okay unless, you know, it's a sunny, bright day. Then I often will just go with sunglasses instead. They've got the strap there that goes over the back of your helmet, and they're pretty standard, pretty generic. But for the price, again, you can't really beat the price on these. They're pretty dang cheap, so there they are. Those are the Maddog motorcycle goggles or ATV goggles. Check that out in the description below. Hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.